Hola chicos, it's Senor Last. This is really hopefully going to be quick because the dogs need to go outside. This is task 2. And remember, this is part of your final assessment. It's due by the end of the day, next Wednesday, May 4th. You have to give 5 out of 7 of these tasks inside your notebook or binder. As long as it's a notebook or binder and is yours, I am happy to grade it. So that's that. Task 2. Yes, please write a new conjugation table out for the verb ser. Okay, just get used to it. I'm not going to say anything beyond that. I actually give you the table itself here. Okay, and I do this specifically so you can do it in another format. And my goal is that you discover the format that works the best for you or that you like the most so that you can do this automatically. Verb after verb after verb after verb. So I started this in the first video and it ended up a mess. So I'm gonna try it again. There's that. There's the name of the verb. You don't have to do this part. If you don't know that it means this, however, I would do it. That's up to you. I would definitely memorize the conjugations. Definitely for this verb because it's super important. So let's see, how did I do this? Pronouns. No? Yeah, let's do that. Pronouns. And then conjugation. It's a lot easier to do on the computer because you can space everything out, but pronouns. Conjugation. Draw a line, draw a line, draw a line. Excuse me. Okay. Now, if you have room up here, you could do it there, but I don't really have it where it looks nice. Well, let's just do it there. As long as you make it clear that the two on the left are your singular pronouns and the ones on your right are your plural. I need a drink of water, but I want to try to get through this. So just quickly go through them really, just do them. So you got your yo, you got your two, L. Oh, for this one I do it this way. And I hope it makes sense why I do it. So yo, two. This one, for this version I do L and ella as one. And then I do usted. Then I do nosotros with the at sign. And remember that means that's broken up into two versions of it. Nosotros with an O and nosotras with an A. And the difference is it's a group of guys here versus a group of girls. Or if it's a group of mixed guys and girls, it's also we default to the OS. Okay, so yes, do it with the at sign. Do vosotros with the at sign. Do ellos with the at sign, and then ustedes. Okay, I really actually like this version because I can see everything line up. And let me explain my insane mind, what's in my brain really quick. Here you have yo, right? And here you have nosotros. In this, you are a part of the picture. Here you have two, right? And here you have vosotros. In this row, you are talking to someone in the singular, or you're talking to a bunch of people in the plural and in an informal way. Okay, in the next row, batteries. Next row, you've got, hold on a second, you've got el and ella, which is, and this is why I had you do the at signs here. Normally I would like to break it up, but this version kind of makes things streamlined, and it also shows you how things connect. Okay, el and ella, I put them in one line here, so that they match up here with ellos. And again, that's ellos and ellas, and vosotros and vosotras. An OS ending or an AS ending, depending if it's a group of girls, a mixed group of girls and guys, or a group of girls. Okay? And then finally, you've got usted, right? This is the formal tense. Here again, you have singular. Now, when singular, you're talking to one person. So you talk. One second. Let me see if I could erase partial. Yeah. If you need to do this, which I actually would do that. You for the yo and the nosotros, I would say. I'm not sure. Just put a star for now. Okay. But with tú and vosotros, vosotras, you are talking to somebody or a group of people. With él, ella, ellos, or ellas, you are talking about someone, an individual, guy or girl, or a group. And with usted or ustedes, you are talking to someone or someone's, a group of multiple people, but and it's important that you do this, that you distinguish between the formal and then the informal, because you don't want to go up to someone of authority and be like, "¿Cómo estás, bra?" or "What's up, bra?" Okay, and it's a very strict thing in Spanish, like, and in a lot of the other Romance languages, because if you were to say something like that in Spain to an older lady, you would probably get smacked in the head. Okay, so that's it for the. So that's enough for the of these conjugations. Let me conjugate really quickly. And you've got yo soy. Wait, oops. I actually went off on a tangent because I really didn't. I forgot that this was supposed to be the first part of task 2. So I'm going to make this a separate video and make this a conjugation video because I like this. Soy. Let me use a different color. Yo soy. Yo soy. Tú eres. Él, ella es. Usted es. Nosotros somos. Vosotros sois, sos. Ellos son. Ustedes son. Okay, ser again is just one of the most irregular verbs, so you just have to remember it. The one thing I don't like about this setup, right? It's the 4-column setup rather, is that you can't do something like we did in other in the first task where you were able to do all of them, you know, all the pronouns here, all the conjugations here. So then you were able to do a sentence, right? Yo soy de Leland, and see how that works. No, not bad. Tú eres, etc. Él, ella. Okay, so that's one thing I don't like about this 4-column setup. But in terms of understanding numbers and who you're talking to, or who, if you are talking to or talking about someone, it is awesome. So I will end there, and I guess I have to make another video for task 2. Yeah, so let me do that. Questions as always, let me know.